So we have AAP leader on right near the stage where Cockroach Janata Party is holding protest. Sir, today JP Nadda said clearly that opposition has hand when it comes to NEET paper leak. Whatever the paper leak happened in the different states, it's all in the opposition's hand. He clearly slammed the opposition and told not to politicize all the situation going on. What do you have to say on that?
I think JP Nadda is a shameless man, and he has no business to do press conferences. He is a health minister. Health infrastructure in this country is horrible. He should better look into his portfolio. Paper leaks in India is a reality. Whether it was NEET, whether it was mismanagement in CBSE, they are all entirely under the central government. It has nothing to do with any opposition state. And even if there is something wrong in an opposition state, let the people talk about it. Today there is a huge protest where lakhs of Gen Z are sitting on a protest, and their only demand is that Dharmendra Pradhan, the education minister, must resign. And I think it's been long. Protest is going on for more than 30 days. He should resign.
And also what happened on 20th July, he said that this will not work. You need to come to Sansad and talk politely, and we will listen to it. We will give you enough time to talk on whatever the issue is.
Nobody wants to talk. Nobody wants to make him a girlfriend, He is nobody who somebody is getting attracted to and they want to talk to him. Nobody wants to talk to him. Even I don't want to talk to him. Their only demand is Dharmendra Pradhan should resign. Why should they talk to them? Nobody wants to talk to them.
So right now I am at Jantar Mantar at near the stage, and joining me is Saurabh Das right now. Saurabh Das, I would like to ask you this, that today JP Nadda hold a press conference in which he said that opposition is the one who is the real culprit when it came to NEET paper leak. What do you have to say on that?
Shame on him. Such ministers should not be part of the cabinet. JP Nadda ji should also rethink what he is saying at a press conference. People who have gathered here in large numbers in Delhi, and people who have been protesting all over the country, they had some hope that JP Nadda would, give a way out of this stalemate. However, that didn't happen. Why is it not happening? Why are they so hell-bent on keeping Dharmendra Pradhan, in their cabinet? So it's very condemnable. I think, the government knows that lakhs of people have come to Delhi. They should really be worried about what is going to happen on Saturday, Sunday when many more lakh people come and, protest in Delhi. We are appealing to the people of this country. Be wise. This country is a land of Gandhi. We need to be, very peaceful. We have peacefully protested so far for so many days. We are so proud of them. And the youth of this country has really shown the way to the world on how to, do peaceful protests. But the government must understand that people, are expecting them to answer. It is their government after all. And they can't be this arrogant, no matter what.
What is Abhijit Deepke, what is Cockroach Janata Party is planning next, because there is no confirmation on if the Dharmendra Pradhan will resign or not. So what is the next plan, because 20th July was a havoc on you guys. So what do you want to plan, what you guys are planning next?
See, we do feel that, the only way out of this for the government is to make Dharmendra Pradhan resign. Because if it's not Pradhan, then it's Pradhan Mantri next. So they must be very careful about how they handle this situation. They must be aware that people here are peacefully protesting, and that they've been demanding very, very, very basic things, accountability. So the government must realize what is happening, and I would just, ask them to ignore this at their own peril.
One last question. Your ex-spokesperson is talking right now against Abhijit Deepke. You know whom I am talking about, Vijeta. What do you have to say on this?
I don't think, there should be any bitterness about what happened. If things have, gone sour, sometimes when you work with people, it doesn't work out. Maybe because of the vibe, because of the way you work. So it didn't work out with Vijayata also. So it should be the same way.